today I have a great news for all the Samsung S7 users out there, and I am really glad to say this that finally we have Android 12 builds for this device. In this video we will be taking a look on Pixel Experience Android 12 ROM. This ROM has many features from the Pixel devices and it is also super smooth. I have been using this ROM as my daily driver for a week now and I have not faced any major issue. If you are also super excited to try this ROM by your own, then without much delay let's go to the installation process. So first of all, your phone should be rooted and you must have a TWRP version 3.6.0 on your, otherwise your phone will be suffering from severe boot loop issues when you will try to boot to the recovery. Now boot to the TWRP recovery. And open the wipe section. Select cache, deal with cache, data and system and then swipe to wipe. Now head to the install section and locate the Pixel Experience ROM, then flash it. Also note that you don't need to flash GApp separately. If you want to root, you can flash Magisk too. Now that the flashing process is completed, you can reboot to the system. The first boot might take some while. Till then, you can subscribe to this channel. Now that the phone is booted up, let me go through the setup and I will see you guys after some while. The first impression of the ROM looks impressive to me, but can't say much till the review part. Let me go to the Easter egg as well. Anyway, I am gonna go ahead and use this smartphone for a couple of days and then I will get back to you. Alright, welcome back. This is the review part of PE12 ROM. So it is just great that we are having Android 12 on this device and it would not be justice to count out the problems first. So let's go to the good part. And let me clear that it does not mean that this ROM has many cons. The ROM is just packed with awesome Pixel features. And I personally really like the privacy measures toggles made in Android 12. And the wallpaper engine of Android 12 that changes the accent color by picking a shade from the wallpaper. The ROM is super smooth and can be used as your daily driver. Do note that banking apps works on this ROM, but I still don't recommend to use banking apps on a rooted device. Now the battery backup of the ROM. The battery is same as all the other AOSP Android 11 ROMs. It can easily give you 4 to 5 hours of battery backup. Not on gaming, by the way. And this ROM is much smoother than all the Android 11 AOSP ROMs. And now the downside of the ROM. The backlight of the physical navigation keys don't work. Still, this is a minor issue, will be fixed in a month or so. The phone might get somewhat hot when you will do some processing intensive tasks, but it is still obvious for this old hardware. And do note that on normal tasks like surfing web, social media or media consumption, this ROM works like a charm. And I do recommend the work of the developers that are providing regular updates to this ROM. So this is the end of the video. Go ahead and get your hands on this amazing ROM. And do tell me what to cover in the next video. Till then, goodbye.